Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am going to show you the ways on how you can fix CVS Pharmacy app login error. If you're having login error with the CVS Pharmacy app, then you could follow the steps. Now I'm going to use a browser. On the web address bar you want to type in cvspharmacy.com. When you type in that information, you'll be taken to their official page, and when you actually press on the login button, then it's going to show you the place where you have to go ahead and enter in your credential. Now here are some things that you need to try if you're having trouble logging into your CVS Pharmacy app. First of all, make sure that your cookies are enabled in your phone's browser setting as well. So what you could do is you could just go ahead and press on the three dot icon, or you could just go ahead and open up your settings and make sure that your cookies are enabled. Likewise, you could also go to the sign in page and click the forgot password and enter the email address associated with your account, and CVS will send you a link to reset your password. If apart from it, you can email cvs.com and they will respond within 2 business days. You could also contact the customer care account service at a toll-free number, which can be found in this section here, and let them know about it, and they should be able to help you out with this situation. So that's all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.